Hello and welcome to Excalibur. This is a special video that I've made for all my viewers, all my subscribers, all the people who have come to my channel in the year 2021. I want to thank you all sincerely. The reason is that if you see my channel analytics, you see there are a lot of views that I got the last year. The watch time was 3.2k hours and I had 740 subscribers in a span of last 365 days. And that's the reason I've come up with this special video only to thank you people. I'm not going to teach anything in this video. Also, I received an email from YouTube on getting the first 1,000 subscribers on 15th December. So that's another achievement that we've got for Excalibur. Okay, so now I want to wish you all a very happy new year 2022. And in this year, I want you to take three actions. The first one, keep watching new videos on Excalibur and learn new techniques in the year 2022. The second one, post in the comments of this video on the topics which you would like me to make the next videos. So I'll see those comments and try to make videos on those topics. Third, if you are yet not subscribed to my channel, please do that because there is a lot more content which is going to come, right? And in the end, I would like to also mention that I am conducting these Excel automation boot camps for over an year now and helping a lot of people. So if you want to learn more into macros and latest advanced techniques of Excel, please join the Excel Automation Bootcamp. The link will be mentioned in the video description. Thank you very much.